Rihanna partied with her old boyfriend and her rumored new one early Saturday, although likely not intentionally. See video below. Photographers caught Rihanna arriving to Hollywood hotspot Hooray Henry's shortly before 1 a.m. local time, where paparazzi peppered her with questions about reported new boyfriend Karim Benzema. A mere few minutes later, Chris Brown arrived, and he, too, was dogged by the paps, who wanted to get his take on partying at the same club as an ex. It's not clear if the photog was referring to the incident with Karrueche Tran earlier this month, or being a smartass about Rihanna's entrance shortly before. About an hour later, Brown left the venue, and was bombarded with questions about being in the same club as Rihanna. Just after she made her own exit, and faced similar comments. Then a few minutes after that, Benzema departed, but not before signing some autographs for fans. One pap wanted to know if the soccer player had a favorite Rihanna song, while another jokingly asked if they were going steady. None of the stars answered any of the intrusive questions. Rihanna and Benzema were first linked earlier this month, and have been spotted several times together, though neither has commented on the rumored relationship. She and Brown, of course, have been on and off over the years, see 2013 photo above. 6 years after assaulting the songstress, Brown finally finished his probation earlier this year, as Gossip Cop reported in March.